Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of agricultural technology. So, let's get started. Agricultural technology, also known as agritech, is a rapidly growing field that's transforming the way we produce, distribute, and consume food. It's a broad term that encompasses a wide range of innovations, from precision farming to sustainable practices, and even the use of drones and robots in agriculture. One of the most significant developments in agricultural technology is the rise of precision farming. This involves using advanced sensors, data analytics, and GPS technology to monitor crops and soil conditions in real time. This allows farmers to make more informed decisions about when to plant, fertilize, and harvest their crops, ultimately leading to higher yields and reduced waste. Another exciting area of agricultural technology is the use of drones and robots in agriculture. These machines can be used for tasks like spraying pesticides, monitoring crops, and even harvesting crops. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces the need for manual labor, making agriculture more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Sustainable practices are also a key aspect of agricultural technology. This includes the use of renewable energy, such as solar and wind power, to power farms. It also involves the use of organic fertilizers and pesticides, as well as the implementation of sustainable irrigation systems. In addition to these innovations, agricultural technology is also transforming the way we distribute and consume food. For example, blockchain technology is being used to track food from farm to table, ensuring transparency and accountability in the food supply chain. Finally, agricultural technology is also revolutionizing the way we produce food. This includes the use of vertical farming, which allows for the growth of crops in urban areas, and the use of hydroponics, which allows for the growth of crops without soil. In conclusion, agricultural technology is a rapidly evolving field that's having a profound impact on the way we produce, distribute, and consume food. From precision farming to sustainable practices and the use of drones and robots, this technology is transforming the agricultural landscape and making it more efficient, sustainable, and environmentally friendly. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video informative and interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.